How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Wrenching Garage. Um, I completely forgot to record this from the very beginning, so I'm just gonna go over what I did and how I did it, so you guys know how to do it yourselves. Basically, I am changing a drive shaft to a 2010 Chevy Equinox. This is the old one. I already took it out. Reason why I was replacing it was because of the U joint. If you can see it right there, the cap on them broke, so it was causing a lot of vibration. Basically on these cars, you can't just change the U joints. You have to get the whole drive shaft. So, and then also when you change these, there's one thing really to worry about, and that's pretty much these the center bearing, the bolts to go right there. On these cars, they tend to rust and sometimes they snap. And if they snap inside the body, that's just a whole different story. Luckily, that didn't happen this time, but I did have one previously do that to me. And then these bolts are usually really tight on there, so usually you just want to get an impact or a breaker bar on them. And then there's 6 bolts on this side with plates on each side of the 3 plates for 2 bolts basically. And those are pretty easy to get out. I think they're 8mm. These are 13, and there's 2 bolts, and there's 4 bolts here, and these are 15. Now, I already had the other one installed. Well, I still gotta tighten the bolts, but basically, that's how it goes. You see the plates right there. Let me see if I can show you better. Yeah, the little plates right there with 2 screws holding them. Those, you gotta be careful not to over tighten them because they break pretty easy tightening them. And then pretty much it goes all the way across. And then there's the 2 bolts. There's one right there, and then there's another one on the other side for the old one. And then, oh, you can't see the other ones. I'll get to that in a minute. Give me a second. Alright, this is the other side. This is the side to the differential. On this side, when you put it back on, sorry, the focus is off. I'm recording with my phone. You're gonna want a very long extension. Reason being, because that's the only way you're gonna get to the back bolt on the top. Because once the drive shaft's on, it's not gonna want to move anymore. And basically, you need a long extension to get to the very top one. The other ones, you can just do it right there because the bolts are right there. But that very top one, you usually have to get a long extension to reach it. Because if you get a short one, you won't be able to move because the gas tank's in the way. So you have to get extensions long enough to pass the gas tank so you can actually move the ratchet. Yeah, pretty much. Just bolt everything back up. I don't know if there's actually torque specs for these. I don't do that. Basically, I just hit the impact on those. If you don't have an impact, that's fine. Just do it about with the ratchet as tight as you can, or once it gets tight and then a quarter pass turn. Usually that's what I do with ratchets. And then those are the ones you have to be careful. You only do them as tight as you can. Basically, you don't want to over tighten them like using breaker bars or anything, because then you'll snap the bolts in there. All right. Well, if you liked this video and it helped you out, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.